Good morning. It is chilly out today. So if you see me like, ooh, that's why. But it is crisp and the air smells amazing and the birds are singing. So it's a good day so far. So today's theme is rest. And when we've been working and building so hard, it's important to know when it's time to take a step back and to continue building, but in a more gentle way. So today I decided that we would do a restorative practice. So, restorative yoga, if you've never done it before, is a much slower, less kinetic form of yoga. It is all about relaxing into the pose, and it helps with the central nervous system. It calms the nerves. It's great for depression and anxiety. Um, Personally, as someone who experiences a lot of ADHD, um, brain activity, it is so helpful for me to come back to center. And it's one of my favorite things to teach because it's just so chill and everyone just feels so like after. So, story time. The last few days have been really crazy. So, I told you yesterday that um, the day before was just chaos with technology. I did find a new program that it was actually kind of funny because I was trying to do an Instagram reel and I handed my phone to my daughter because they wanted to try something. And they were just like, I'm like, oh, wow, that's really intuitive for you. She's like, yeah, I use Instagram all the time. And I said, that's not Instagram. That's the new app. And they were like, oh, oh, this is really cool. Like, so, because they also run their own Instagram, YouTube. They're a published author. I can't talk enough about myself. They're amazing. Um, but yeah, so after all of the chaos of the day before, and yesterday, when I checked YouTube, my video that I was so stressed about had over 1,000 views. I think it was up to about 1,200 views. And I was kind of gobsmacked, if I'm honest. Like, I had 30 hours of views. And again, I was shocked because I was so stressed about that one. I didn't even edit it. It is uploaded right now with me doing 2 starts because I said the wrong day. But with all of that and that success and the stress of learning a new tool and trying to figure out a new way of uploading videos, um I was really tired yesterday, and daylight savings time still is just like I'm getting really tired at around 7 at night, and which makes absolute sense. But it's making me really cranky in the evenings. We'll just put it at that. And so I decided that today might be a really good day um, to draw the momentum back, still do a yoga practice, but do one that's much more calming and um, less taxing on all of the systems that I am dealing with. So, So yeah, I need to adjust because this heater is great, but it's very directional. So it's like, I'm cooking my hip. So I'm gonna turn away from it, have a sip of my coffee. Warming up my hands. So yeah, so I needed a day of rest, but I want to keep the momentum going. And a lot of these chat videos that I'm doing is to also, help introduce myself to you, but show how someone who identifies as neurodivergent, um, how I process my day, how I process these tasks, and model behaviors that I hope you will take away as well. It is, some days it's really difficult. I've lived pretty much all my life with depression and anxiety. I learned to mask in the theater because if you want to perform, you have to hold back a lot of emotions. I was always told I was a highly sensitive person growing up. And, um, we now know that that is a major sign of autism in women. Women tend to be more flexible in socializing than boys, and we tend to observe and mimic social interactions a lot easier than boys with autism. So, so yeah, so there's a lot of, I don't know where I was going with that. Let's tie it back into yoga. So when I started doing yoga, it really helped with a lot of the um, stress and anxiety that I was feeling. I've dabbled in yoga all throughout my adult life, but I got into a daily practice during COVID, and realized that it helped to curb a lot of the um, stress and anxiety and discomfort that I felt. And I've done years of therapy, especially on cognitive distortions. Um, and that's really, really helpful if you have access to that. If not, there are a lot of great papers. Oh, that got really hot. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to turn this down. That burned. That was my chair. Okay. So anyway, this will get into a long story time. But the point is that I needed an easy win today. Let's look at it that way. Like I've had some really big wins this week and I'm exhausted and I needed an easy win. So, um so yeah, I really hope that you're finding all of this helpful. Feel free to start a conversation with me in the comments below. You can reach out to me at my email or my website, which is in the description. And um, let's see, let me know in the comments why you have a hard time taking a step back and resting when you know you need it. Have a great rest of your day.